Good morning, guys. So welcome back to Uncut firstly, and today we're going to check our mail because we want stickers from you, and I'm pretty sure I got notified that there are a few things in our letterbox. Whether or not they're from you guys, we're just about to find out. Yeah.
Which one's ours?
Hopefully, cross fingers, we'll have something.
Oh, we had one.
Oh,
it looks like a sticker.
It is.
It's a sticker. So have a quick look, see if you can see. I'm not going to show you YouTube yet. It's a sticker. It's a sticker.
We have one. Hooray! Was there anything else in it?
No.
Oh, I got like a million notifications. It was mail.
It's just a big hole. Anyway, we've got a sticker.
As you are aware, our post box is in the middle of the city, so we've had to come in on a Sunday. So when it's quieter, just so we can get a park and come check it.
Excuse the hair, guys. I'm going to need to get a haircut. Very floofy today.
Also, if you're new here, Uncut is not our normal format for our videos. It's just an updated, or almost like this was recorded a couple of days before you're watching it, so you know exactly what's going on with our lives.
Currently, it's 33 degrees in the city, and it's got 9 o'clock in the morning. It's ridiculous. And you guys are probably out there in the snow, and we send you some heat, and you can.
I've been getting sent some pictures of weather, and snow's falling, and it's like, I'm so jealous.
If you're new here, we love cold weather.
We love cold weather.
When we do hit the road full time, as in like get travelling, we're going to be chasing the cold weather. There is actually cold weather in Australia, so you will get to see that when we're out and about.
Our plan today is to decorate our van in some Christmas decorations.
Yeah, what do you guys do for Christmas?
Yeah, what do you guys do? I mean, I don't want to buy too much stuff because where do you store it?
Yeah. We did a Christmas episode last year.
Yeah, we bought stuff for that, but then
that was the old setup.
Build, and we donated most of that stuff. So we're out to find some new stuff, so you're coming along with the ride.
Something that's more complementary to our style.
Yeah, let's go. So what better place to come than the Christmas shop? I don't think I've seen a shop with so much stuff in it. It's just, Christmas has exploded in here. I don't know if you can see. Absolutely crazy. Hopefully we can find something that suits our style. I'm pretty sure we will. Let's have a look. Where do you want to go first?
I don't know.
This seems our colour here, look.
Yeah.
I think we should go nice and fancy. There's not going to be in there. There's no room.
There's one bauble.
This may be a bit too big for us, eh?
Yeah, these are like the really big stuff that people put on their trees outside their houses.
Oh, look, how much is that?
$2.5 grand. That is dear. Here all week. That's the only snow we're going to get here. Did I mention it was 33 degrees today?
That shop was very expensive. It also had...
It had massive stuff. It was
it's like we were shopping for stores.
It's like we were shopping for a department store in there.
I know.
Massive. There was that bow was bigger than me, wasn't it? It was huge, and the giant Christmas balls.
All the Christmas baubles and all the Christmas trees and all the big... It's just absolutely massive. I don't think half that stuff would fit through our front door.
I think a lot of the big stuff, like the big baubles and presents and stuff, they're for like there's sort of a bit of a tradition here that people decorate the trees outside their houses.
True.
And you get those big decorations. So
beautiful stuff. I really love this little feather, but it was $23. $23?
For a feather?
I don't think so. Anyway, I think it's off to Bunnings for us because that's the only thing we can.
We love Bunnings. Bunnings is a more our budget and size.
A friend of mine did tell me there's a little Christmas tree in there that was quite, affordable, and we can use it all around. So let's go get that. At least we get something today. So guys, we're in Bunnings now. It's not the most, it's not the best. It's not as like the other place, but we've got affordable things.
Oh boy, these are $19 instead of $199.
Well, they're rattan lights, even though we don't like rattan. They're actually quite funky. Look at that, little lights. Maybe. It's a maybe list. Maybe.
You got the little lampshade ones.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're cool.
And these ones as well.
Yeah. But do we go return? We know we hate it.
No. We still haven't sorted that problem out.
I'm going to hate the Christmas season already because there's so many people everywhere. Getting lights and Christmas decorations, and I think we left it a bit too late this
It's a user
morning.
frenzy.
Yeah. I'm out. The reason why we're here is I really want to find this plant. And no luck so far. It's becoming a mission. We're going to go to Kmart because Bunnings just don't have what we need.
They sold it.
They're sold out, so
Already.
we'll go for a walk over to the Kmart. I thought this would be easy. Oh yeah, we'll just film us getting stuff.
20th century, guys. We should have enough stock.
Seems that overflow is more our style.
Cheap and nasty.
I think we should be able to find something in here. What do you think?
I reckon so.
Right, I think we found a little bit of stuff. We're keeping to our same colour scheme. Not that we're fussy, but we're fussy. Even with Christmas. I think we did quite well there. That was $17 for all of that, which in that other shop that would have been half of one item.
If that.
Anyway, I think we're going to go one more stop and then we'll head back. Our last stop was IKEA, and we did get a few little things. Now just left to decorate.
24 hours later.
So days gone by, and we were meant to be coming back and getting a little bit festive with all that stuff that we bought, but our battery is having a lot of trouble and we had to get back and figure out what we're going to do with it. It's just not charging and it was almost running out. But I'll just put Tim on and he'll explain exactly what he's up to. It's just that we really need to get this sorted. As you can see there, the van is not festive. We've really got to get this sorted.
Yeah,
so
festivities are on hold at the moment. And as Sandy's probably said to you, we come back and we found that the battery isn't charging as quick as we would like it to from the solar. We've had this problem. Originally we thought it was a solar panel, so we put bigger solar panels on. Still wasn't giving a full charge. Earlier this week I borrowed a DC to DC charger, a brand new one, exactly the same, switched them out. We're still having the same issue. So the only thing that I've got left now is we thought it might actually, we thought it might actually be the fact that the panels weren't in series, so we put them in series to see if we'd get them to switch on earlier. They did switch on earlier, but they didn't give us enough current, so we're going to put them back to parallel and hopefully that's going to sort that out. Well, that'll bring us back to where we were originally, and then we're going to replace it with new cables from the panels. But I need to temporarily rig these up through the window to see if that is our issue. If that is our issue, then the old cable has had it and we need to put a new one in.
And if it's not, I think we're going to have to get someone to...
Yeah, we're just going to have to
have
to go through the whole system with someone and see where the problem is. It's pretty simple. There's only...
Sorry to bore you with all this fact,
there's not that many things that can go wrong. It can
Yeah.
only be the solar controller, the solar panel, or the cable in between. And the cable that's in between is an original one, and it runs both panels on one cable. And we don't think that's got enough cross section to run enough current through. So that's why we've got two sets of cables, one for each panel, to come down straight into the DC to DC charger.
Well, that should...
And at the moment we're plugged into shore power and charging that way just to get the battery back up and running, because the fridge is running us down flat whilst we're not in the van.
Yeah. Okay, so you're hopping on the roof?
I will be hopping on the roof in a bit to plug things in, so yes, definitely going to be doing that in a sec.
Stage one. The ladder. The solar was that bad that it wouldn't even charge up 20% in full. We had full sun in the middle of the day and we were only getting like 2 amps in. It was really, really bad, and we kept making excuses for it, like, oh, maybe it's because of the cloud cover, or maybe it's because it's too early in the day. No, this was midday and it still wasn't doing it, so no excuses for it anymore. So that's why we're kind of stuffing around with it.
Add the cables from outside. Where are they gone? There now.
Professional.
And then I could just, they're reached down to the solar controller, so I'll connect this up. You're not going to want to see that. It takes about 20 minutes.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay. I won't keep this running then. I'll be.
No, I won't keep that running. Not even
this week's Uncut's going to be 30 minutes long.
I wouldn't even do that on a
on a
time lapse. Anyway.
How boring.
I think actually before we do that, because we'll let you know how we get on with that in the future. I think it's time to do some shout outs.
Yeah.
First of all, we should do Possum Rescues. That's Megan at the dog cottage. She looks after our little man here. Pablo.
Yeah, I've mentioned her a few times at the dog cottage that she has a lovely setup there for all the animals during the day, and she takes care of Pablo when we go on our long trips.
And she plays our videos to him while we're away.
Yeah, she also has a YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel is Possum Rescues, and she plays music so your dog doesn't have separation anxiety when
yeah, relaxation channel.
Yeah, so we play it for him and he absolutely loves it because all his friends are on TV.
Smile.
So if you have a pet, consider using her relaxation music, and I'll put the link just below here. Here, I believe I'll put it.
Yes, here. Also, another channel that supports us and we support as well is Getaway Geese. Go over and have a watch of those guys. They travel around the UK, and they've just recently been to New Zealand. Well, they went to New Zealand earlier this year, but they've just released their New Zealand tour videos, and they're actually doing it at the moment. That's Stu and Jane. So if you want to pop over there and have a check them out, say hi from us. Also, we have,
we have a sticker. Oh yeah, let's swap sides.
So yes, okay, right, swap sides. Swapping. We've now swapped sides. You may have already noticed that we have some stuck-on mirrors as well. It's a design
it's
feature.
a new feature. I quite like that. It's very nice.
Yes. Hello.
Do you remember the small ones that I got? Like
Yes,
those wavy
were funny.
ones?
They were
Oh
funny.
my god.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Right, behold the door. Turn the light on.
There we go.
I installed this light specifically for this moment.
I can't see you right now.
Let's remove this.
I'm usually sitting on this, but it's up because of the.
Yeah, because we've got the whole battery.
So I'm sitting in the
compartment
middle, and I have a nice view. I'll put this over here later.
So our sticker of the week, it is sticker of the week because it's the only one we've got, is from another Vanlife group on Facebook. That's Jay Warren and Richard and a gang. I think it's Richard. Yes, Richard.
It's hard to remember everybody.
Yes, we're a member of their group, and go over to them, say hi, join their group. They're amazing, and they help each other out, and they do it. They run a, they're very helpful to other channels. If you've got a channel as well, you can advertise yourself on there, and you can make friends that way. You can also win a sticker if you win the picture of the week, and we did one.
Yay!
We won recently their picture of the week, just to go up on their Facebook page for that week with young Pablo here. So
he was ruining my photo.
Here.
He was ruining my photo. Look at that. But he's a cutie, so.
And so that's another Vanlife group. Check them out. Go over there, say hi. And they just recently asked us to if we'll participate in actually giving them a shout out anyway. So this is our shout out to them.
I'll put also their link here.
Yes, and they've got really sticky stickers. So
we may be some time. Okay.
Here we go. Where should we put them?
Oh no. There.
Another van. Oh, we'll go with the van. Go.
No.
Too late. Anyway, thank you, Jay, Richard, and the gang.
Well, it looks like you've got a.
I've got to get
got
down.
a long job on your hands there, so I'm going to leave you to it.
Yeah, she's going to go have a nice cold drink of water. It's actually roasting here, and I know you guys are all cold back home. I know some of you aren't cold, but most of you guys are in the Northern Hemisphere. So
most of them got heaters though.
Stay warm, stay well. Safe travels to you guys. I'm going to get on with this and sweat, and hope you guys have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Yes. No, if you want to leave a comment, send us stickers, please.
Sorry, it's a little bit short this week. We've just really got to get this sorted, and we weren't expecting it. So, anyway, we'll see you next week, or we'll see you Friday. Bye.